I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to Heidi's home. It is, oh my goodness, what time is it? It's about 10 to 1. I just straightened up upstairs. I put away a load of laundry. I made the bed. I gathered the garbages upstairs. I'm getting company this week. And because of that, I want to clean the living room the best that I can. I feel like every time I do a cleaning video, I'm wearing this shirt. You guys have one of those. I am a person of habit. When I get a t-shirt that does not strangle me, that's not too thin, not too heavy, and just right, I will wear holes in it. And this was actually given to me by a friend of mine, and she knows who she is. She watches all my videos. I will wear holes in this shirt, so you might want to get me another one. So anyways, let's see. Today, in this video, we are going to clean and tackle this living room, probably dining room, living room area. It needs to be dusted. It needs to be swept and mopped. This window behind me needs to be cleaned. That mirror needs to be cleaned, and all of that needs to be cleaned. And yes, so we're going to tackle that today. And so I'm looking forward to having a nice clean house. My husband's at the gym. I cleaned my kitchen last night till 11:30. Yes, 11:30. And you guys have seen that by the time you see this, you already have viewed the 2-part series on the massive deep clean my kitchen with me part 1 and part 2 videos. And this is just going to be a good clean of my living room space. Well, let's get right into it. We're going to start by cleaning off my kitchen table, and then I'm going to start dusting everything in my bookcase there that you see in the corner, and just kind of give everything a good spruce. A lot of you have asked me where my kitchen tablecloth came from. It's actually called a table throw, and I bought it at Walmart. Right after I had painted my dining room, I bought that. I thought that was so cute. It's got a really nice fringe on the edge, and it looks really nice on my table, especially just for kind of simple decoration or decor. I am now currently cleaning out my coffee bar area, and I'm laughing because I have 2 missing cups, and I keep going through the drawers, and like, I know I have them. I did locate them, so I'm getting out my fall and Thanksgiving mugs, and I'm putting away like my summer and spring mugs and putting those, up in the cabinet, and going to give everything a good wipe down. now I'm going to start vacuuming the dining room area. I had done some crafts earlier this week, and there was just like little tiny pieces of, I guess, just like little pieces of thread. I tried to just kind of sweep it up with the regular broom, but the pieces were so small, it was so hard to see it all. So I'm just making sure that I get it all up. I absolutely recommend this vacuum cleaner. If you all have seen some of my previous videos, you've seen where I purchased a new vacuum. It's not a real expensive one, but my mom actually has 4 of these, and she told me it was a outstanding purchase, and so I bought one, and I absolutely love this vacuum. It does the trick. It picks up easily. I love the attachment on it for my stairs. What is awesome about it too is that it has like this little handheld thing that for your stairs, but the whole entire vacuum only weighs 8 pounds, so it's nothing to carry up and down your staircase. Now I am going to take the main cover off of my couch, and I'm going to throw it in the washing machine. Before I get company, I always wash my couch and my throws and just kind of give everything a good spruce. Well, here I go again with my squeegee on my window. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. This squeegee come from the auto section at Walmart. My mom was like, you got to get one of these. It's a game changer to cleaning windows and doors. And it is, because first of all, I'm short, and usually I have to stand on a stairs or something to get, where I need to be. But this makes my glass absolutely spotless. Like, it is a game changer. There's no streaks. You get it all off. It's easy to use. It's fantastic. So if you don't have a squeegee, go to the auto section, get you a squeegee. I promise you, you will not have any regrets. So if you are like us, oftentimes my coffee table ends up being the catch-all. It's the catch-all for the bills. It's a catch-all for paperwork that I have to fill out. It's a catch-all for magazines and books, cookbooks, notes, you name it. It just catches everything. And so today I'm going to get with it and just kind of declutter and give this coffee table a really good wipe down. I know I have mentioned this a million times here on my channel, but my couch comes from IKEA. It is one of the best purchases that I have ever made. The entire thing can literally be thrown in your washing machine. It comes clean every single time I wash it. I love the fact that I wash it, I know it's clean, and it smells so nice and fresh. I do put a blanket over the sitting area, you know, where you actually sit on. It's not because of any particular reason other than the fact that I sit there next to my husband and drink my coffee, and I am kind of clumsy, and so I try to protect this cream colored couch as much as I possibly can. But I have spilt coffee on it, and it washes out every single time. I just use a little bit of shout spray, you know, the stain remover, and it becomes spotless. So I'm just putting back the cushions. I'm going to continue to dust around the living room and just tackle just the small areas in around. I'm also going to be washing all the throws in here as well. Yep, we are going to use that squeegee on the mirror because I cannot reach it. And you know what? It cleaned fantastic. I can't say enough about this squeegee. I might have to get a second one. Now I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner and just vacuum around all of the furniture in the main sitting area here and just make sure that I don't have any crumbs or dust or anything on the floor. So now I'm going to continue to dust the other side of my living room, which basically is where my husband does his live broadcast, which will start back up in October. We're looking forward to it. And then I'm going to give everything a really good quick vacuum. And then it's going to be time to fix some dinner. We're going to have some cream of chicken and biscuits. I hope you all enjoyed this cleaning motivation video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And thanks so much for watching again. Have a great one.